Hello friends, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin and let's do our analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So I'm extremely sorry that I couldn't post a video yesterday. I had to go out for my personal work and I came back home a little late. So I thought even a day prior, I think I uploaded the video a little late and I saw that there were only few who watched the video. So that's the only reason why I did not post a video late night yesterday. But I'll ensure I don't do this again. So first of all, if we see how the market was, so Bank Nifty was steadily going upside with some sideways sort of thing. So it was a very good day for option sellers. And if we look at Nifty was sideways completely. Okay, so it sustained the gap up basically. So both looked a little bullish today. So Nifty Bank tanked around 1.9% and Nifty around 1.5, 1.6%. So which was pretty well. So basically from yesterday, the FIS data has been changing. So the participant wise open interest, so they are building a little bullish positions. So we will discuss that when we look at the data now. So tomorrow being an expiry day, there are some important things that we need to watch out for, because for expiry day, the trading plan should be different for buyers and the trading plan should be different for sellers. So let's begin the analysis. So the first thing that we usually watch is the participant wise open interest. So let's quickly look at that. So if you look at the participant wise open interest, FIS data is completely bullish. So future buy, just a moment. Okay, future buy, call buy, put sell. And if you notice, even yesterday they had significant stock future buy. So they're buying stock futures heavily. So this is something which I've been noticing for the last 2-3 days. And yes, overall the position looks bullish. And similarly, even the pros have around 85,000 call long and 77,000 put sell. So again, a bullish sentiment by both the big participants. So if we come here and quickly check this out, so FIs have created future long and have closed some future shorts, and pros have closed long and created some shorts. So that's okay because they have bullish positions in the options. And if you look at call options, FIs have about 90,000 call long and about 60,000 call short. And similarly, pros have around 86,000 call long and just about 600 shorts. So nothing much significant on the short side. And if we look at put, we have 75,000 long positions and short positions is more, 93. And similarly 1,26,000 long positions and 2 lakh short positions. So overall the market looks bullish, and but just the only one thing is both have significant call longs. So which means that usually people buy long call when they expect a gap up next day, is when they actually carry the long positions. So there is a possibility of a gap up and they may book the positions. But if you look at the put sell from FIIs, it is not that significant like the call buys. So that means we may see fresh put writing or fresh call writing during the trading hours. So option chain is something which we'll have to watch out for during the daytime. So overall the position looks bullish. Market looks bullish for the time being. So I won't say that it has changed its trend, but the downside is limited as of now. So now let's quickly look at the option chain. So option chain, I'm going to use my Excel sheet. So overall, if we see, the day trend was bullish, and we have closed around 36,360. And today, if we see, overall open interest shows that the call writing is more. However, today we have seen a significant put writing. So usually this sort of position is created by either FIs or pros. And if you look at here, you will see a lot of call positions being exited and put positions being added. So that means put shorts being added and call shorts have been exited. And 36,500 is going to be an important level for tomorrow, because I was looking at it during the second half, especially after 3 o'clock. I saw that there was a lot of people who were exiting 36,500 call, and some people were writing 36,500 put. But this can again act as a resistance if we open below 36,500. And so yes, overall the sentiment is bullish for as of now. So let's look at the chart and decide how should we plan the price action. Okay, let's discuss bank nifty first, and then we'll move on to nifty. So the first thing that is noticeable here is bank nifty constantly managed to keep higher highs and higher lows, and it also managed to close somewhere near the top. If we carefully look at this pattern, let me just zoom a bit. Okay, so if we carefully look at this pattern, this looks more like a Poland flag here, so something like this. So in case if we open flat and we see that this particular level is being taken out, we can immediately enter in a call position, and your immediate target would be this place. So from where we fell, so this is around 36,750. Okay, so this should be a target. Do not expect a target beyond this, and in fact if you even book around 36,700, that would be great, because it's an expiry, so anything can happen. So this should be our first plan. So open flat, and if we immediately break the swing, we are going to buy the call option, and this should be a target. Secondly, in case if we open gap up, like we discussed, looking at their positions, it looks like gap up is quite possible. So this is a very good resistance, because we fell tremendously from this point. So in case if we open somewhere within this area, say like it could be between 36,700 to 36,800. So if we are gapping up in this area, all that you have to do is wait for a small red candle. It can be of any shape, like a hanging man, or maybe a spinning top, or maybe a doji candle, anything like that. Just wait for a red candle. Then immediately if you see the next candle breaking the low, you can buy a put here, and the same high should be your SL, and we may see a fall until this place, which is around, just a moment, 36,500. Okay, so just a 200 point fall is something which I'm expecting. And then I think the first half, at least, it can be sideways if we open gap up. So I'll just do a visualization how it would look. So if we open somewhere here, we may see price coming down something like this, and halting around this place and taking support here, and then the market may travel sideways in the first half. And then the second half is important, like where are we closing, because this area we cannot just take out like that. Market has to go here and spend time here and then give a breakout. So I'm not expecting this to happen tomorrow. Maybe we can see that on a Friday or a Monday. So let's see how we look at the market tomorrow. So Bank Nifty's behavior is going to decide what is the next week's trend. So this is the plan for flat opening and gap up. And if we are opening flat and coming down, I would say just avoid position, taking position here. Here, if we takes a support, definitely you can go for a call buy. In any case, if we break this swing and if we close below this, you can definitely go for a put option. And what should be your target? Your target should be around this place, which is 35,700. Okay, so in case if we break this swing, so this swing is going to be very important. In case if we break this, your target would be 35,700, but this looks very difficult, so I don't think so Bank Nifty is going to break this, but at least it may try to hover around within this channel in case if it comes down. And any gap down, I would avoid taking a trade till the time it breaks this. Then you can go for a downside trade. But otherwise, your trade plan for tomorrow is anything that can be upside. So this is the plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow. Now let's quickly check out Nifty. Yeah. So if we look at Nifty, Nifty traded continuously within this range. Okay. So we will only trade the range breakout. So Nifty also managed to close higher. So in case if we open flat and if we break this, you can definitely buy a call here. So what is this point? Let's quickly check that out. So this is around 17,220. So 17. So if we see a closing above 17,220, we can buy a call. Our target would be this place, which is around 17,320 or 300. So just a 80-point move. And similarly, if we open flat and if we come down, we will take put position only if it breaks this low, and our target would be this area, which is 16,950. Okay, 16,950. But the best part of taking this trade would be a gap down at this place and then breaking this low. I think then I would prefer buying a put option here. But otherwise, if it is directly coming down, there is a possibility that it may take support here and then spend time within this range even for tomorrow. So that is a possibility. So all that we have to do is this sideways position, we will check if it is shifting upside to this area or if it is shifting downside to this area. So that is the entire game plan. And in case if we open gap up near this place, which is 17,300 to 325, you can definitely buy a put here. Same thing. So either we'll wait for a red candle, something like this or something like this, or maybe a doji candle, and then we can buy a put. Your immediate target would be this place, which is around 17,200. So I hope the plan is clear for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you want to know the plan for option sellers, it is going to be simple. The market is looking a little bullish, so I would prefer selling two put options here. Okay, so two put options to be sold here and one call option here. So this way we can be slightly bullish with our positions, and there is a possibility that both may become zero, but I ideally don't hold it until it becomes zero. I book it around 1 or 1:30 p.m. So same logic for Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty we can sell 36,000 36 100 or 36 200 put. Okay, so 36 200 is something that can be riskier for new traders, but otherwise 36,000 and 3600 is a bit safe. And on the call side, you can sell 36 800 and 36 900, so the ratio would be similar. Put would be 2 and call would be 1. But in case if we open gap up, I would reverse this. I would sell 2 call and 1 put. So that should be the game plan. I hope things are clear, and I hope we'll have a good expiry tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I hope people started using the sheet that I uploaded. So in case if you have any issues, you can definitely write that in the comment section and I shall help you out. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.